Android software platform, which is the next popular software platform for mobile devices. So we're going to touch about the story, the market, and how to get started with Android. So the story of Android. In 2005, Google acquired Android Incorporated. It was only a small mobile software company specializing in Java applications. During back in the days, Java was hot. So it's founded by 4 founders, namely Andy Rubin, which is the director of mobile platforms, Rich Miner, right now the managing partner for Google Ventures, and Nick Sears and Chris White. I couldn't find any information about these 2 people. So if anyone knows who they are or what they do nowadays, me either. I don't know what happened to them. But if they are still around, they would be in the Android team, of course. Because when Google bought them over, they just bought the whole 4 members in the team to their development team. Then, one of the important things that the Android team did was actually forming Open Handset Alliance, whereby it was led by Google, and they managed to bring in all the industry players, namely Samsung, Motorola, LG, HTC, Asus, Garmin, and Sony Ericsson. And more handset makers are jumping in the bandwagons ever since 2007, and it's already 2009, 2 years down the road, and you're already seeing a lot of products coming up. Acer Netbook as well. And Netbook is actually a very ideal market for Android, since it's just Java platform. And the Android software. The Android software itself, it's a software stack. It's not an operating system. So how it operates, it has Linux in and under the hood. Meaning to say, the operating system is a modified version of the Linux kernel, and on top of it, they have the Java virtual machine, which helps you to run your applications on the device. So it's kind of like going back to the dark ages last time. We used to have Java applications back in the days 2000 to 2001. Java applications were so hot that we had MDP and Maxis Developer Program all focusing on Java. So now, right now, it's a same cycle. We're going through the same cycle, but they have a different kind of like, in my opinion, a different branding to it. Whereas it's just the same thing. And then the Android API, which is the upper stack of the Android software, which they communicate through the Java virtual machine and then through the device itself. So the Android API allows you to do a lot of things to the device, and mainly gives you the WebKit framework with the browser, media framework to play video games and things like that, GSM telephony, OpenGL, location, very important, and SQLite, where you can store, you can actually store your data locally in the device. So if you want more information, you can go to the website developer.android.com. And last but not least, part of the Android software stack is the software development kit, which includes the debugger, libraries, docs, samples, tutorials, and the most important part is the emulator, aka Android virtual device, where you can actually test your applications in real time. Whatever you see in the emulator, it will work exactly how it works in the code. So there's easy for you to develop. And the best part about the Android software stack is everything runs on Java. So, meaning to say, in my opinion, it shouldn't be any problem for local developers in Malaysia to adopt this platform. Reason why is because Java is already being taught in school by default. By default, every single university that I know, every single college that I know, has taught Java in the syllabus. So, in my opinion, there shouldn't be any problem for.
Sorry to interrupt.
No problem.